This is like hours of fun in a box. And it's not just any pop tube, it's a big pop tube. It's so cute.
Hey guys!
It's the Auntie
Niece Show!
And today we are opening some fidgets from Amazon. So we got a fidget toy set from Amazon. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Also click the notifications bell so you don't miss out whenever we upload. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. So we have a 35-piece fidget toy box that we are going to be showing you guys. We got it off Amazon. I forgot how much it cost, but it was under $20. And for $20, you get 35 pieces. That's amazing. Some of these fidgets we don't have, so it's going to be very exciting.
Guys,
so what is that?
Look at this wacky track. Look how the noise makes.
I love those things. This is our very first wacky track.
Oh, you could attach it actually.
You can?
Yeah. It's gonna be kind of. Yeah.
We never had a wacky track before, so that's very exciting. Okay, our next one, we have a fidget spinner. Looks like this. It's very cute.
And we have this square.
And guys, we're trying out a green screen. It's a little bit smaller, but we're trying it out. So make sure you comment down below and tell us how you guys like it and if we should use it more.
Guys, look at this square thing.
Do you take that apart?
I don't know. It's kind of like hard. I don't want to.
Comment down below what is this called and what do you do with it. Okay, our next thing
is this
slinky.
This happy slinky.
We got two slinkies.
It has a happy face on it.
This one does too. These are cool. I love slinkies. They're so fun. This is like hours of fun in a box.
Have you tried this?
Okay, next we have
a small monkey
noodle. I think we got two. We got a pink one and a green one.
And
they're so cute.
A puzzle ball.
Oh, I wanted this so bad. That's why I got the box, you guys, because it came with that. Monkey noodles. So if you guys want this Amazon box, we will leave the link in the description so you guys can get this at Amazon. You have to solve the puzzle. I guess you just push them down and then you gotta match the ball with the same color. We'll figure that out, you know, as we play with it. But,
next?
Yeah, that's that.
Next we have three,
what is those called?
marble mesh.
I love when people do this and make them little short ones. It feels good when you do that. And it's a marble mesh. Okay. Next we have
a squishy.
We have a I forgot what it's called. A mesh ball. Squeeze mesh ball.
You ready, guys?
It's like a stress ball. Oh, I love that.
It's easier to squish.
That color is almost like the sea, like
it's
clear.
Easier. We got that online.
We did?
Yeah. Remember with that video where we got the globbles? That was our globbles, and I always wanted globbles.
Yeah.
That was like.
Oh, that was on Amazon.
Yeah,
we got these on
Amazon.
Amazon. These are really cute. Okay, next.
Next, we have a puzzle.
I see this everywhere.
Yeah, what is it called?
We finally got one.
What is it called?
I don't know, but it's so cute.
I think it's oil and water.
Yeah.
Colorful oil.
Every time I see fidget videos, everybody has one of those. We don't have one, but now we do.
But we might fidget trade with this today.
It's so cool. Let me see. I think it's called a timer.
Oh yeah, water timer.
Oh, yeah.
Water timer.
Got it.
Auntie, can we do fidget trading after
Wait, let me
this?
see it. I'll show you. Look, guys.
Can we do fidget trading
It's
after
so
this?
cute. Maybe.
Okay.
Let's see. If not today, then tomorrow.
Okay.
That is so fun. Alright, next we got, I think this is the same thing as this. And I'm pretty sure you take this apart.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure
these
you
are
do.
hard.
Because what else do you do with it? It's not a bouncy ball.
No. Next we have this clay and stickers.
Clay?
I mean, not clay, like slime.
Oh, I think it's like foam or something. Oh, this is so good.
Yeah, you're supposed to do it that way, but I was trying to figure out the cover. Here goes the stickers.
This is so cute. Your head is chopped off. You want to sit down? You don't like sitting down in videos. Everybody knows that I edit. I'm like, why is she standing up?
It's like easy. Oh, that feels so good.
So we got this color. We got all of these colors.
Auntie, feel it. Open it.
You know I'm opening red because red is my favorite color.
I was gonna open blue.
How'd you open it?
Rip it on the other side.
Guys, it kind of looks like a
It feels good, Auntie.
Starburst or
It feels
some type
good.
of candy. It does.
How do you get all of it out there?
I wish it had like scents. Like this would be strawberry. This is so cool.
This one will be cotton candy.
I don't like cotton candy, guys. Comment down below if you like cotton candy.
Leave a cotton candy.
But I did try, even though I don't like cotton candy, I tried cotton candy and pickle. Like a pickle wrapped in cotton candy, and it was really good.
Was it?
Yeah.
You should start eating it. I'm just kidding.
This is so cute. Alright, what else do we got? We got a... Oh, I used to play this. They had this game where we would go to a laundromat and you gotta put the ball through. It's like a maze. It has a ball in it. Definitely a good fidget.
Are you supposed to turn?
Get it somewhere.
Oh, I got it in there. There we go.
Next, we got a football, squeeze football. It's good when you're like taking a test or you're mad at somebody. Bring your anger out on the football, not on the person.
Next, we have a pop tube.
Ooh, and it's not just any pop tube. It's a big pop tube. They didn't give us a small one. They gave us a big one.
We already have 3 small ones.
And then next, we got, what are these called, Maddie?
Lucky Jack. I mean,
This? We got this.
Bike chain.
Why do they call it a bike chain?
Because it's a bike chain.
I wonder why. So this is it. So what do you just go like this?
Yeah. Guys, I have one too. I have a purple
Oh, yeah,
one.
you do have one.
It's kind of matching, but I think it's darker. Yeah, that one's darker.
Yeah, that's crazy. So, what is it called? A bike tube?
A bike chain.
A bike chain.
Bike tube.
Some of these fidgets are, Maddie knows, she be knowing like all the cool stuff. I'm like, Maddie, what is this? And she'll tell me. I'm like, okay. But yeah, that was the last thing we got in our, hit me in the chin. That is the last thing that we got in this box. This is called the Cyan Toy Fidget Toy Set on Amazon. Like I said, I will leave the link in the description. I think this is a very good box to get. Comes with 35 pieces. No, this video is not sponsored by Amazon. This is our opinion, our honest review, and I think you guys should get it. And I believe it was $16. It was on sale, and I believe the original price was $23. So make sure you guys check out this fidget toy set on Amazon. You won't be disappointed because they have amazing fidgets in there. But thank you guys for watching our video. We hope you liked it.
Playing over there with this. Playing over here with this.
That's like, to me, that's like a Rubik's Cube almost.
Yeah.
But we hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.